Hi everyone. This is a follow-up review to the Croozer cargo trailer. I've had it about a year now, and this is it after a year of grueling use. I have flipped it twice, and I've also had it pull off my whole back tire. That was all three times were due to user error. The where it pulled off was because I didn't have the quick release tightened down hard enough, and the other two taking corners at speeds it shouldn't, and then hitting like a pothole or hit like a curb, and with a lot of weight in it, or well, I guess a lot of top heavy weight in it, will cause it to flip. But for the most part, I've been very, very happy with it for the price. Hauling things on the bike is, I think, with all the times I've gotten groceries and stuff over the last year, it's definitely been worth the price. As you can see, let's see, from where I flipped it, it scraped the fabric. It's holding on, but not by, yeah, it's holding on. I guess I could always just take some duct tape and tape it. The rain cover, this thing, isn't really effective. If you want to keep your things dry, in pouring rain, the rain cover's that's not going to do it. This definitely is not a waterproof trailer, similar to the Bob trailers. No, it's not similar to the Bob trailers because of the waterproof. The Bob trailers come with that big plastic bag pretty much. But there's other ways of keeping your groceries and things waterproof. They're using waterproof sacks or just using the plastic grocery bags, really. And a lot of grocery stuff is pretty waterproof. So, you gotta take that into account. It's definitely not waterproof. I would say water resistant. One of the other things is that water gets in through here too. So even if it's not coming down rain, splash from your back tire, like, hits this and gets in there at the bottom, and then it goes all along the bottom of whatever you're carrying, so even if it's not, coming down rain, water can get in from underneath and from the sides. So you take that into account too. I have a big, they have those blue bags from IKEA. They're like huge bags. Putting something like that in the bottom, and then putting your groceries in that, and then the rain cover thing on top, probably will prevent, even in like a downpour, a lot of water from getting in. The attachment system is good, but not great for the price, I guess. I think that if I were to do it again, I may have bought the Bob trailer, just because the way it hooks on with, it hooks onto both sides of the skewer or whatever, the back tire, giving it more balance, tracks better, doesn't tip over, but then again, for the price, the Bob trailer is 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 to 4 times the cost of this, and So I guess it comes down to what it's worth to you. If you know, if you're not going really fast and not being stupid like me and uh, trying to be like a bike racer with a with a trailer, then I don't think that with regular use that this thing's gonna tip over. For the, I guess, regular user. The hand cart thing is awesome. That might be a reason enough, you know, this compared to the Bob is, that's a great thing that this bar, you know, when it's hooked on there, can raise up and down, you know, because I've used this even not with my bike. I live in an apartment where, like, the car is really far away, you know, and if you got a bunch of stuff or something like that to carry in from the car, you can toss it all in here and use it kind of like as a hand cart. I've used it for tons of stuff, taking out garbage and other crap. Trying to think of anything else. Oh. I guess the major things are making sure the quick release is tightened down all the way, and also the waterproofness of it. I guess I expected it to be better, but it's not. You know, it is what it is. It's like the difference between water resistant and waterproof. But also the way that the cover goes on, and with all the holes and everything everywhere, you know, wind, it pretty much is like a sail. You know, wind does get trapped in there a little bit, especially with the cover on. And there's been a couple times where the cover has come loose, because the cover fits pretty snugly around there, and the pieces of Velcro, which I can show, like, they aren't very long, so I think that this one goes over here, maybe. Anyhow, there are bigger, so on the back part, there's like a actual loop that hooks on around this thing, and the same with right there at the front, but these two, I believe, are just like, no, they're loops too. I don't know, but there's been like once or twice where because of wind, the Velcro things have come undone. But if you tighten them on there good, they should stay. Oh yeah, that's it. Excuse me. Just be careful with turning corners, because it will flip pretty easily. Well, I shouldn't say easily, but you get what I mean.